Hello everyone. I'm really excited to talk to you about the next course that we have running up in 2026, which is happening late spring, and it's called The Art of Qi and Medical Qi Gong. This course is designed to cover the foundational elements and the basic modules of Module 1 as well as Module 2, working up the three-body model of energetically understanding the subtle energy of our vital life force, the electric magnetism of our field, our emotional body and the astral force, the mental body and the causal force, as well as Akasha and Light. However, this course is going to focus specifically on the practical hands-on experience that is going to help us connect a higher level of health, of longevity, as well as with our ability to heal other people and to work with other people's fields on a healing capacity. So in the past, where we drew different examples from internal martial arts, from esoteric psychology, from other domains of expertise, this course is going to specifically connect with how are we going to make you healthier and how will we equip you with the capacity that you can then work on other people, your loved ones, your community members, or patients if you are a therapist and a healer by profession. So we're going to start off with specific sets of movements that you can do on a daily basis, pulling on longevity Qigong that's taught in Wudong, China, right? And that really dates back for thousands of years all the way up into the Taoist immortals and the propagators of the longevity, these type of frame of thought in ancient China, as well as other sets of movements and how it can express hermetic qualities, right? The different energies of the West. And together we're going to stream that into a master movement set and really understand piece by piece what every movement is doing for the body, how it is teaching different energetic principles, and why it makes sense to have different forms one after another. So, maybe you've learned Qigong in the past, maybe you have different routines. Major issue that I've had in this journey is, you can find forms anywhere. You can go on YouTube, you can see some Instagrammers providing some sort of lucid forms. Well, number one is that there's not energy discernment in the forms themselves. But the second challenge that I've had was why this form specifically? Why is that form the one that I should carry forward in a world where there's hundreds of forms? So we're really going to break down the blueprint and the construction of what makes a Qigong flow tick, as well as the connection to the actual energy so that you're not just running forms, but you're connecting with the energy of your body and you're allowing that to propagate through all of the movement exercises that we do. Once we've covered that, then we're going to move into the partner work. So what it is that we encourage that every form that we teach is going to help you learn an energetic property. Once you've truly learned it and integrated it, you can, by theory, release the form. Maybe you want to keep the form for health purposes, but you can release it. And when you understand this principle, then we're going to connect these aspects with partner work itself. And what partner work is going to teach you is that if you can move energy within yourself in a specific form, then you can also issue that energy into a partner. And we're going to develop these clear discernment and listening skills of energy so that when you work with a partner, you're going to be able to give feedback on whether or not you feel energy that the other partner is issuing, and you're going to have a chance to issue out and gain confidence in the energy skills that you're practicing. So partner skill is fundamental in developing this immediate feedback loop and really excelling your ability to command different types of energy and the confidence that you're doing it accurately, as opposed to sitting in meditation and it's like, am I in it? Am I out? Am I in samadhi? Am I not in samadhi? We're going to get these instantaneous feedback that will give you these validations. So that's a little bit about our upcoming Art of Qi as well as Medical Qi Gong course, okay? Looking forward to seeing you, and let me know if you have any questions and we're going to answer it in the comment section below. Take care now.